Welcome back to Saw Stump. We're back with more incredible logging action, from powerful chainsaws to heavy-duty logging machines. If you're ready for a thrilling journey into the world of modern logging, stay tuned and explore. Welcome to Saw Stump.
The Woodmiser LT15 works with precision, slicing logs into smooth planks. Each cut is a step closer to crafting something remarkable. The Galatrax 600 tackles stubborn tree stumps with ease. Its grinding blades reduce massive stumps into mulch, clearing the way for new growth. The Brute Force 24 to 30 HD stands true to its name. Massive logs are split with ease, as the machine handles the brute work with finesse. The Moorbark M20 devours branches and small logs, transforming them into chips in seconds, a marvel of efficiency in forestry processing. The dense forest comes alive with the hum of technology. The SP661LF, mounted on the powerful Rotten H21D, slices through a towering tree like a knife through butter. Precision and power meet as the tree falls gracefully, a testament to modern engineering. The John Deere 640 trudges through thick snow, dragging massive logs with unrelenting power, a machine built to conquer the toughest terrains. The Logset PH65, paired with a Komatsu machine, handles snowy conditions with precision, slicing through the frost-covered wood effortlessly. Even the mightiest can falter. A Komatsu 895 lies overturned in the snow. The crew works tirelessly to bring it back to life. A split-second miscalculation leads to disaster. A giant tree, intended to fall in the open, crashes into a house. The true unpredictability of timber work is revealed.
Right now. And here we go. Here goes. And it's going the wrong way. Oh my gosh. Well, I don't think I got that.
High above the ground, a worker battles the elements. Snowflakes fall as a chainsaw roars through a tree trunk, a daring act of skill and bravery. Nature proves unpredictable. A worker carefully cuts into a massive tree, its trunk unexpectedly gushing water. Every cut demands focus and respect for the danger at hand. A heavy-duty truck battles both snow and rain, carrying a massive load of timber to its destination. A journey of resilience and reliability. The timber yard is a hub of activity. Logs are sorted, stacked, and prepared for their next journey, a symphony of machinery and human effort. From cleared land rises hope. Workers plant saplings, ensuring the forest's renewal and the cycle of life continues.
So that concludes today's journey into the world of heavy logging. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for our next adventure. See you soon.